Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to use reminders on the iPhone. So if you want to use reminder, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to search for the reminder application on your iPhone. This is the built-in application by the iPhone. So simply you have to tap on it and you have to follow few steps like continue to this application. Once you will do it, after that on the left bottom you will see new reminder, and here you have to give a heading like birthday, and then you have to add a note like John's birthday. And once you will do it, you have to select the date like today, tomorrow, this weekend. You can also select date and time from here, and then simply you have to click on the apply. Once you will do it, it will remind you according to your time. So this is the simple way to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.